What's up, 10-3? Third lesson here in this really quick unit, looking at temperature, mass, and measuring angles. So this lesson here is looking at converting back and forth between the two systems of measurements, the Imperial and the SI system. The last lesson was just looking at converting within each individual system. Now we're looking at crossing back and forth between the two systems, right? Sometimes you go to the store and things are listed in kilograms, but maybe your recipe's in pounds. So you have to look at how you can convert back and forth between those, okay? There are all the conversion factors. All of this information right here is written for you on your formula sheet. So when you're doing the quiz, test, review, make sure you have your formula sheet. It's there to help you, okay? So remember, we can use any of these to help us set up a proportion, and then you cross, multiply, and divide to solve, right? Or I can just use these conversion factors, and anytime I have a 1 on the left, to go from the left to the right, I multiply. To come backwards, I divide by whatever number is given to me in that conversion factor. So let's go take those conversion factors and go do a few questions. So it says a 5-pound roast is how many kilograms? So I'm going to go, let's set up a proportion for this one. So I'm looking for some sort of unit conversion from pounds to kilograms. And that's this first one right here. So 1 kilogram is actually equal to about 2.2 pounds. And so from the question, it tells me that this roast is 5 pounds. So how many kilograms would that be? Well, what I need to do is then just cross multiply and divide. So x is what I'm solving for, would be 1 times 5, and then I divide that by 2.2. And so a 5-pound roast is about 2.7 kilograms. Okay, next one. It says a 62 kilogram person is how many pounds? Well, usually we talk about pounds. That's how we measure our weight. So if someone's like, yeah, I'm 62 kilograms, what does that mean? Well, we can convert. We are looking to go from 62 kilograms to pounds. Now, I could set up a proportion, but for this one, I'm just going to use my conversion factor. So I'm going from kilograms to pounds. So again, I can use this. So to go from kilograms to pounds, I'd have to times by 2.2. So I'm going to take that 62 and times it by 2.2, which will give me the person's weight, which is about 163.4 pounds. All right. Just a few more quick questions. So now some word problems, right? Those other ones are pretty basic. They're just like convert from this to this. Now let's look at something that might have a little bit more words in it. So it says Lorinda is baking apple pies. According to her recipe, she needs 6 pounds of apples. Oops, I didn't mean to cross that out, underline that. So she needs 6 pounds of apples. Bags in the store have the weight in kilograms. So how many kilograms of apples does she need then? Well, we are trying to go from the 6 pounds to kilograms. So again, I guess once again, I'm using that same conversion factor to go from from pounds to kilograms. So I'm going to have to come backwards and take this and divide by 2.2, which is about 2.7 kilograms, 6 pounds. All right, another one. So it says the cost of bananas is either 49 cents a pound, but in another advertisement, it says they're on sale for $1.05 per kilogram. So which is the better buy? So we have this one option, which is 49 cents per 1 pound. Or I have this, which is $1.05 per 1 kilogram. So what I need to do is I need to get these denominators either to be both in kilograms or to be both in pounds. So this conversion factor, it tells me 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So instead of putting this as 1, I'm going to change this to be 1 kilogram, which is 2.2 pounds. So when I divide that, this comes out to be about 47 cents per 1 pound. So what's the better buy? Option A or option B? Well, this one is cheaper just by, 2 cents per pound. Okay, last one. It says you rent a truck with a gross vehicle weight of 3.01 tons to move bricks. If you weigh 80 kilograms and a brick weighs 1.7 kilograms, how many bricks can the truck legally hold? All right. Well, we got to do a few conversions here. First of all, this is in tons, and everything else in this question is in kilograms. Because I have more units here in kilograms, I'm just going to take this and convert it to kilograms. So I'm looking to go from tons to kilograms. On my formula sheet, there is this that says 1 ton is about, how many kilograms? It's about 1,000 kilograms, right? If we're using that unit. Yeah, 1,000 kilograms. Okay. So this truck is 3.016 tons. How many kilograms is it? So I would cross multiply and divide, which tells me the truck is about 3,000, just divide times that by 1,000. So 3,016 kilograms. So that's my truck weight. Okay. I want to know how many bricks plus me I can fit in there. So if I weigh 80 kilograms, obviously I can't add bricks that match my weight, so I need to reduce that. So in the truck, 2,930 kilograms can be filled with bricks. So how many bricks can fit into that 2,930 kilograms? I just divide that by the 1.7 kilograms, and that will tell me how many bricks can go in there. So it's approximately 1,727 bricks. Okay. So some of those questions are, conversion factors, but some of them are a little bit of problem-solving questions. You have to convert and then answer your question from there in a problem-solving manner. Okay. Homework 3 gives you some conversions between and within SI and Imperial Mass. And when you're ready and you've finished some questions in the homework, go ahead and do the quiz. Thanks for listening.